My name is Karin Lindmark. I work as Market Development Manager for the Nordics for TESTEX. TESTEX Circularity is a label and certification that's leaning on the 3 pillars of circularity, which is durability, repairability and recyclability. With TESTEX Circularity, we provide a clear structure, tested methods and a credible framework. We really had the baseline to really create a robust certification with our technical knowledge and our accredited labs involved. But we also knew that we couldn't do this alone. We needed some real industry validation from brands. So that's why we also invited our pilot brands to join early on in the process.
Arc'teryx is a brand that's founded in innovation in industry first, so it wasn't that out of the ordinary for us to work in this way. And it gave us an opportunity to collaborate with TESTEX as the certification was being formed. So when we began this initiative for working on our first circular product, we identified a gap in the industry in terms of a standardized circular product definition. So TESTEX was really one of our first choices because of their history of rigorous testing standards, as well as what they were trying to put together was really aligned with how we saw circular products. And it's also really helped to pull in cross-functional partners from across the brand to be involved in what that definition process really entails. So teams like compliance, product development, and even design now have a definition that we can all work towards together without any ambiguity. So in terms of challenges, the certification process really highlighted the need for systems level change. So making sure that products were repairable, but also that access to repair or availability of repair was made available to our consumers. Also, in the beginning of the certification process and kind of creating the standard, we identified that preferred materials and recycled materials would need to be a huge part of the definition itself in order to promote that circular economy going forward. Third-party certifications build trust. They make brands accountable for the claims that they make publicly about sustainability and their sustainability initiatives and sustainable products. Customers can rely on those certifications to make informed choices because they know that those claims at a product level have been rigorously tested and verified by an independent party.
Our vision is that TESTEX Circularity will become a trusted tool for the textile industry that really needs to reduce its environmental footprint, because it gives brands and companies a clear and credible path towards real circularity.